Follow the spirit of this old Buddha. Seek the teaching of an authentic master. Autumn slowly approaches. Moonlight's chilly. Fireflies keep chasing the fiery star. Once again, we will walk in a circle before the burning furnace. Clouds come to the mountain peak. Water emerges in a jar. Secluded in the mountains. The evening bell rings the moon and raises lanterns. Monks sit in the hall and quietly observe emptiness. Having fortunately received the 3 robes, they now sow seeds. How wonderful! They're ripening in just one mind. While you were thinking, you've already received 30 blows. Dao Kai was then awakened. Bodhisattvas who study the way, open your minds to mountains flowing and to water not flowing. Ordinary and sacred are not hemmed in by boundaries, nor are mountains and rivers, sun, moon, or stars. Follow the spirit of this old Buddha.